Hi students, this is V. Balkishan, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Siddipet. Today our topic is nomenclature of carbonyl compounds and preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. Now nomenclature of carbonyl compounds. In this one, A, nomenclature of aldehydes. Nomenclature of aldehydes. Aldehydes can named with two methods only. One is the common name methods. Second one is IUPAC name methods. In common name, of aldehydes is given from carboxylic acids. In this one, carboxylic acid, the ic acid replaced by aldehyde. Based on this one, I am taking one example. HCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid. Its name is formic acid. Okay. Now its aldehyde and HCH1. Here COOH group is replaced by CHO group and then it is called as aldehyde. This name is the formic acid. Ic acid is replaced by formaldehyde. The ic acid part is replacing by aldehyde. That's why formic acid, formaldehyde. Second example, CH3COOH, known as acetic acid. Here ic acid, from here to ic acid, IC acid is replaced by CH3 and COOH group is replacing by CHO group. That's why it's called as acetaldehyde. And third one, this one is known as benzoic acid. This benzoic acid, now aldehyde part, this second, third one, the CHO group and here COOH group is replacing by CHO group known as benz. After this one, benzoic acid is replaced by aldehyde, benzoaldehyde. Okay, so this is the common name of the aldehydes and again listen carefully. The common name of aldehydes is based on the carboxylic acid, and the carboxylic acid, from carboxylic acid to aldehyde is obtained by the replacing of COOH group with CHO group. That's why in common name, the oic acid which present in the carboxylic acid name, if replaced by aldehyde, then we obtain the common name of the aldehydes. So this is the statement. For example, formic acid is the carboxylic acid. In this formic acid, ic acid is replaced by aldehyde, then we obtain formaldehyde. Its formula is HCH1. Okay. Similarly, second example, the acetic acid formula is CH3COOH, and this COOH is replaced by CHO. Its formula is CH3CHO. It is called as aldehyde. Now here its name is acetic acid. That's why ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. Then the name of CH3CHO is acetaldehyde. Okay. Now one more example. So this one is known as benzoic acid. Ic acid, if replaced by aldehyde, we obtain the name of this benzene, and CHO is known as benzaldehyde. This is the common name. Now IUPAC name. IUPAC name of aldehyde. IUPAC name of aldehyde is given as alk plus A plus all. This is the IUPAC name. So this is the root word. This one is the primary suffix. This one is the secondary suffix, which will given for the IUPAC name of the aldehydes. For example, I am taking this one CH3 or first HCH1. Here how many carbons? Only one carbon. That's why meth completed, and the remaining part is A plus R. By the combination of this one, by the removing E and combining total as a one word, methanol. This is the IUPAC name of HCH1. Okay. One more example, CH3CH1. CH3CH1. In this one, how many carbons? 1, 2 carbons. That's why the 2 carbon root word is ethane. Plus ane is carbon to carbon, there is a single bond, and the functional group is Al, all. The total, by cancelling E, we obtain ethanol. ETHANAL, ethanol is the IUPAC name of CH3CH1. Third example, CH3CH2CH1. Here number of carbons, that is totally 3 carbons. That's why pro plus A plus all. By the cancelling of the C's, we will obtain propanol. So this is the procedure to write the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name of aldehyde is alk, means it is the root word. It indicates number of carbons present in the given aldehyde, and ane indicates the carbon to carbon there is a single bond or saturated carbon. All indicates the functional group of aldehyde, that is CHO group. That's why the total IUPAC name is simply we can written as alkanol. This is the IUPAC name of aldehydes and alkanol. You take 1 carbon containing methanol, 2 carbon containing ethanol, 3 carbon containing propanol. Okay, and if the carbon chain is lengthy carbon chain or large carbon chain only, we can apply IUPAC rules for that also. I am taking this one only, CH3, CH2, CHCl and CH4. This is one example. Another example, CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, CH4. One more example, CH3, CH, OH and CH2, CH4. I am taking these 3 examples only. In this case, common name and the common name of this compound. In common name, we will indicate this is the functional group and the next carbon which after the functional group is known as alpha carbon. After that one carbon is beta carbon and next carbon is gamma carbon. At alpha carbon here chloro substituent is present. That's why its common name is alpha chloro. This is completed. Alpha chloro 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon containing is the butanoic acid. Butanoic acid is replacing by CHO group, that's what is the aldehyde. It's called as butyric acid, butyraldehyde. Okay, now 4 carbon containing carboxylic acid is the butyric acid, common name. Ic acid replaced by aldehyde, then we obtain alpha chloro butyraldehyde. This one butyraldehyde, butyraldehyde, butanoic acid is that one replaced by aldehyde, butyraldehyde. Okay, now IUPAC name of this one only. In this IUPAC name, this one indicated as first carbon. The functional group carbon indicated as first carbon. Then this one indicated as second carbon. This one is third carbon. This one is fourth carbon. That at second position chloro group is present. That's why it is called as 2-chloro. Up to this one, this part is called as prefix part. In the IUPAC name, there are 3 parts. One part prefix, second part is root word, third part is suffix. Suffix always we write after the root word, prefix always we write before the root word. Okay, now based on this one only, here at 2 position chlorine is present, that's why 2-chloro. Remaining root word, it indicates number of carbon present in the carbon chain or parent carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are present. That's why its name is bute. Okay, its name is bute. Okay, bute ene plus ol. That's why the total name is the butanol. Bute plus ene plus ol, butanol. Its IUPAC name is 2-chlorobutanol. Very interesting and important explanation. And we are writing this carbon chain is a very lengthy carbon chain. In that one only side chain is also present, and this is the functional group. After the functional group, the side chain is treated as a substituent. Substance is written as a prefix name only. Here prefix name in the common is the alpha chloro. Why? Because the functional group is this carbon. After the carbon present, the functional group is known as alpha carbon. That's why this is the functional group. After the functional group carbon is this carbon, alpha carbon. That's why at alpha carbon chlorine is present. Therefore it is known as alpha chloro. Total 4 carbon. Its common name is derived from the carboxylic acid. 4 carbon containing carboxylic acid known as butyric acid. That's why its name is butyraldehyde. That's why alpha chlorobutyraldehyde is the common name of this given component. Its IUPAC name. Now in IUPAC name, the carbon present in the CHO group is taken as a 1 carbon and first carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are present in the given carbon component or aldehyde. At second position there is a substituent, its name is chloro. That's why 2-chloro is the prefix, already completed. After that one root word, 4 carbons mean bute and all carbon to carbon there is a single bond, that's why An plus the functional group is CHO means all, and but plus N plus all, the total will be given as a butanol. And after this one and one more example is common name. Common name similar to this one and this is the functional group. After the functional group carbon is alpha carbon, next carbon is beta carbon, and last carbon is gamma carbon. That's why similar explanation based on this one. Here alpha carbon but here beta carbon, that's why beta chloro. This one completed, remaining part is same, and that's why it's known as butyraldehyde. Butyraldehyde. Okay, now IUPAC name ante similar to IUPAC name. Here at second position chlorine present, but here first carbon, second carbon, here third carbon, here fourth carbon. At third carbon chlorine is present, that's why it known as 3-chloro butanol. 3-chloro-butanol. So this is another example, and the third example is very interesting and important example. Here only OH if present, it is called as alcohol. If only CHO if present, is known as aldehyde. The given third example contains two functional groups. One is aldehyde functional group, other one is the alcohol functional group. According to the IUPAC rules only, if more number of functional groups present in the given organic compound, you must treat one as a functional group, remaining as a substituent according to the priority sequence. Okay, according to the priority sequence, CHO is highest priority than the OH group. That's why in this example, aldehydic functional group, aldehydic group as a taken as a functional group, and the remaining OH group now here treated as a only substituent. Its substituent name is the hydroxy. Its substituent name is the hydroxy group. That's why now according to the common name this is the functional group alpha carbon beta carbon. That's why the common name is the beta hydroxy. This is the beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. Beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 3-hydroxy butanol. This is the different examples I am taking for the explanation of common name as well as IUPAC name of aldehydes. Okay, based on this information I am giving some examples in a box totally I am mentioning both common names and IUPAC names of that compounds. Okay, now first one HCH1, second one CH3 CH1, third one CH3 CH2 CH1, fourth one CH3 CH2 CH2 CH1, fifth one CH3 CH CH3 CH1, and sixth one CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2, CH1. Seventh one, CH3 and CH3, CH2, CH1. Okay, eighth one, CH3 and CH3, CH3, CH1. And the last ninth one, this one. These are the 9 different aldehydes only. Now I want to write its common name. Common name and IUPAC name. Common name and IUPAC name. Okay, already I given its common name is formaldehyde. Because of it derived from the formic acid, ic acid replaced by aldehyde, formaldehyde. And IUPAC name of this one, only one carbon, meth plus an plus all and methanol. Methanol. IUPAC name is alk plus an plus all. Now second one, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Why? Because it is the derivative of acetic acid. Ic acid replaced by aldehyde. That's why it's known as acetaldehyde. Now IUPAC name, it contains 2 carbons. That's why eth plus an plus all ethanol. Ethanol. Comparison of both common names as well as IUPAC names. Now here 3 carbons, that is propanoic acid derivative, that's why it's called as propanaldehyde. Propanaldehyde. And its IUPAC name is propanol. Propanol. Okay, next one. Here this one, state chain and here very important information. 4 and 5 contain same number of carbons. 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, same molecular formula. You count the number of carbons, you count the number of hydrogens and oxygen, there is a same one. Total 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, hydrogens are 6, 8 hydrogens and 1 oxygen in both the compounds. That's why these two are the isomers. One is the straight chain, other one is the branched chain. That's why it is known as N-butyraldehyde. N-butyraldehyde is the common name of this one because it is the derivative of N-butyric acid. N-butyric acid derivative kabatti, that's why it's called as N-butyraldehyde. Next, it is called as isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. Another name of this one and this is the functional group. This is the alpha carbon, alpha methyl. It is completed 3 carbons propanaldehyde. Alpha methyl propanaldehyde is the common name of these 2 compounds. N-butyraldehyde straight chain and isobutyraldehyde, or another name of isobutyraldehyde is alpha methyl propanaldehyde. But IUPAC name has no N prefix or iso prefix. We want to write the state chain rules only, that may be substituent when there is a prefix part and root word part and suffix part. Here there is no prefix part. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are present in the straight chain and that's why it is butane. But plus an plus all butanol. Butanol is the IUPAC name of this component. But here it is the isomer of this one, but it is not the straight chain. 1, 2, 3. We want to select the longest chain. But here has no numbering and that means it is called as substituent. Its name is methyl. The methyl is present at the second position. That's why it known as 2-methyl. Here 2-methyl part completed. After the completion of this 2-methyl part, here only 3 carbons is present. That's why its root word is propane for 3 carbons. Pro plus an plus all, that is propanol. So this is the propanol and Al all. Okay. If you mistake as a whole, it totally will be changes. OL all will be given to the alcohol and Al all will be given to the aldehyde. This very important information and just to the pronunciation will some difficulty and all aldehyde Al all. Just I did not have just small difference. I am writing as a OL. Totally that mistake. That's why you don't give the mistake. In case of aldehyde, you must write as a Al all. In case of alcohol, you write as a OL. But here totally we want to write as a all in case of aldehydes. Now this one, sixth, is a straight chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons containing, that is known as pentanaldehyde. Pentanaldehyde. Pentanaldehyde is a straight chain and N-pentanaldehyde. Another name and it is also called as N-valeraldehyde. Valeraldehyde, because 5 carbon containing carboxylic acid also known as valeric acid. Valeric acid is replaced by valeraldehyde, or pentanoic acid or ic acid is replaced by aldehyde, pentanaldehyde, both same. Okay, its IUPAC name is pentanol. Why? Because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons containing pent, all carbon to carbon single bond, pent plus an plus all pentanol. Here one more example and this is isovaleraldehyde, isopentanaldehyde or isovaleraldehyde. Isovaleraldehyde or another name and 1, 2, 3. This is the functional group. Here alpha carbon, this beta methyl, 4 carbons are present, butyraldehyde. Beta methyl butyraldehyde, another name. But IUPAC name and first carbon, second carbon, third carbon is the substituent and the total number of carbons are 4. That's why at third carbon methyl is present and that's why 3-methyl and 4 carbons means but plus en plus all butanol. Okay, well, this is the IUPAC name of seventh compound. Next, this is neopentanaldehyde. Or neovaleraldehyde. This carbon is the quaternary carbon and this type of structure mentioned as a neo antam. Okay, neopentanaldehyde. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are present. That's why pentanaldehyde, pentanaldehyde. Its IUPAC name or other cases also it is write as alpha dimethyl Why? Because this is the alpha carbon and one methyl, another methyl. Two methyls are present. That's why dimethyl and 1, 2, 3 carbon propanaldehyde. Propanaldehyde. This is another common name. Neopentanaldehyde or alpha dimethyl propanaldehyde. But IUPAC name and this alpha replaced by 2,2 అంటారు. 2,2 dimethyl propanaldehyde. Okay, 2,2 dimethyl. Number of carbons are 3 and that's why pro plus CN plus all propanaldehyde. The last one is benzaldehyde. Last one is benzaldehyde. Here IUPAC name also benzaldehyde. Okay, this very important and the common name and IUPAC name of this compound is benzaldehyde only, because you have some information benzene and you take benzene is a common name and also it is IUPAC name. IUPAC name of C6H6 and is benzene and its common name is also benzene. Similarly that one, this one benzene benzaldehyde are derivative of benzoic acid. The ic acid replaced by aldehyde, that's why it's called as benzaldehyde. The common name is taken as a IUPAC name and it is called as benzaldehyde. So this is the nomenclature of aldehydes. And now nomenclature of ketones. Nomenclature of ketones. Nomenclature of ketones and similarly aldehydes, ketones also named by two methods. One is common name method. Common name method. Second one IUPAC name method. In common name method and it taken as a alkyl ketone. That may be dialkyl ketones or alkyl ketones. These two types of names will be given. The first ketone is this one. Here one methyl, that's why it's called as dimethyl ketone. Methyl, dimethyl ketone. Only this compound and they have a common name, another common name, acetone. Okay. Next to CH3, C double bond O and CH2CH3. Here this one named as a methyl, this one named as a ethyl. Therefore, its name is ethyl, alphabetical order. First is the ethyl group, ethyl methyl. This one alkyl, ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Next one CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2CH3. This one named as a, this one ethyl and ethyl two times and that's why it's called as diethyl ketone. Diethyl ketone. Okay, this one completed and common name. And second method and IUPAC name. IUPAC name method and here IUPAC name method of ketone and alk plus ane plus one. Alk is the root word and N is the primary suffix and one, ONE, one is the secondary suffix. It indicates number of carbons. It indicates carbon to carbon single bond. It indicates C double bond O functional group. Okay, based on this one only, first example CH3 C double bond O CH3. I am taking this one. How many carbons only? 1, 2, 3 carbons are present. That's why it's a UPS name propan. One part root word completed. After that one A and one. Pro plus N plus so one. E by the cancellation and combining will give the IUPAC name of this compound. Propanone PROPANONE is known as propanone. Okay. Next example. This is the example 1. Example 2. CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Here 4 carbon butane plus N plus 1 will give butanone. Butanone. Okay. Here not needed. We want to mention the second position because of if we write here or here, it is always second. If there is a change in the position, then we want to mention that position. I will give this one. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons only. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. There is a change in the position. Here 1, 2. At third position C double bond O group is present. At second position C double bond O group is present. That's why in this case we want to mention the position of functional group, that is C double bond O group. Here this is mentioned as 3. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 3 pent plus N plus 1 means it gives as a tripentanone. 3-pentanone is the IUPAC name of this one. And this one 2-pentanone. 2-pentanone. In some cases only we can also written as pentane 2-1. Pentane 2-1. Here also pentane 3-1. Okay. So this is the nomenclature of ketones only. Common name and IUPAC name of ketones completed. To practice only, I am giving a table similar to the aldehydes. Here, first one, this CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Second one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Third one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, and CH2, CH3. Fourth one, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. And fifth one, CH3 and CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Sixth one, this is the aromatic ketone only. Seventh one, these are the some examples only. Here common name. second one IUPAC name. Already I given this common name is acetone only, or methyl 2 times dimethyl. This one is the ketone only, dimethyl ketone only. And IUPAC name 1, 2, 3 carbons are present, prop only, An plus one propanone, propanone and NONE, propanone. Okay, next this one ethyl methyl ketone, ethyl methyl ketone. Okay, now based on this one IUPAC name totally 4 carbons, but plus An plus one, butanone. Next one, here ethyls are 2, that's why diethyl ketone, Here already these two are the same number of carbons only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why we want to mention the position of that compound. Here the position here 3 pentanone, 3 pentanone. Here this one propyl group, N propyl, because it is a straight chain, that's why N propyl. Methyl, this one is methyl part, this one is the N propyl part, and ketone. IUPAC name of this one 1, 2 1. Okay, this is from year to year 2, from year to 4. According to IUPAC rules, give the lowest number to the functional group or substituent. That's why this is known as 2 pentanone. Next one, this one is known as isopropyl methyl ketone. But IUPAC name only very interesting. Here 1, 2, we must give the numbering from year only, year to year, because here functional group give the lowest number to the functional group rather than the substituent. That's why 1, 2, 3 and 4. But now this is the substituent. This substituent presented as a third position. That's why its name is 3-methyl. Prefix completed and the 4 carbons, that is butanol. 1, 2, 3, 4. But plus An plus all is called as butanol. Butanone. One here ketone. That's why we want to give one but plus N plus one butanone. Now this one, here common name methyl phenyl ketone. Here diphenyl ketone. Okay, and IUPAC common name, another name only, is known as acetophenone. Acetophenone is both names, and the IUPAC name as well as common name. This is the benzophenone. Well, this is today class only. Okay, today class is nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. It is completed.